For this tutorial, I will teach you how to configure wide area network. But first we must know the importance of a router. Router is a device that basically allows our computer to connect into other networks or in the internet. It is important to know not only the function but also the ports and buttons in this device. First is Wi-Fi protected setup button. It allows discovery of new devices to connect in the network. Second is LAN ports. It connects the router to the computer and allows it to connect in the network. Third is WAN port. It is where the internet service provider connects. Fourth is reset button. It is used to reset the router to factory settings. We can now proceed to the video tutorial for configuring wide area network. First step is to gather and prepare. Gather the needed devices such as computer, router, and Ethernet cable. It is also important to plan where are you going to place your router. You must place it into the center of your house. Second is to reset the router. Resetting of router is important to revert back its factory settings. Third is to establish right connection. Prepare your computer, Ethernet cable, and router. Make sure that the Internet Service Provider, ISP, network cable is connected to the WAN port of the router. Next, look for the Ethernet port of your computer and router. Using the Ethernet cable, connect the end to the computer and plug it into the outlet. Fourth is to identify router's IP address by accessing command prompt, then type IP protocol configuration in the command line and click enter. The default gateway is the router's IP address. Lastly, open router's web management page. Go to the computer's web browser and type the default IP address of your router. A login page will appear. Enter manufacturer's default username and password. In our TP-Link router, the username and password is admin. After that, click Login. You can now see the WAN settings of your router. Click SSID settings to change the WAN name. My current Wi-Fi name is Fresno. I will change it into Gieraldyne. Then click Submit. Go to Security to change the password. My current password is Fresno 2021. I can easily change it. Then click Submit. After configuration, you can now click Logout and close the browser.